arrived in Houston today and we are here at our first stop looking at Francisco's house, who was affected by Hurricane Harvey, and we're going to be helping him to restore his property.
Everyone is really grateful just to have you here. Even if you can't help me, at least you are trying to.
He's a lonely person. No one is helping him. He don't have nobody, just us as a church. We are his friends. We are his only people can help him.
So what was it like when you first came back inside after the hurricane and you saw the damage inside the house?
I am not going to say I cried because I didn't, because I have other stuff way more important than this, but it really broke my heart because this is all I have. We are from Atlantic Union Conference coming here in Houston just to make assessment of what happened, and we are ready to come and help.
We want to thank the Atlantic Union for coming down here to Houston to assess the place and check and how they can help in bringing relief to the city. And we know that God is going to use you guys in a mighty way. So we'll keep praying so that the right teams can come over here to give us a big hand. Thank you very much.
This is our World Harvest Outreach Church, and this is serving as perhaps the second largest distribution center for here in the Houston area.
When the next disaster happens, we should not be sitting here again, going through this. We should be saying, okay,
in place.
this is where we are. This is who's going to do what.
You know, we're going to be bringing a group of people from Northern New England Conference. It's hard for me to, you know, look at all this stuff. It reminds me of, you know, when I was growing up, you know, we were in a hurricane.
I need your help. We need your help. We're looking for you as the youth to come. You're the next generation.
Where the heaviest rain will fall. Does it happen near Victoria? Does it happen over downtown Houston? Or does it happen near Liberty? Either way you cut it, it's going to be a real soaker right through Tuesday. So now is the time to think about getting ready for these widespread flooding rains, whether it's a tropical storm.
We are here in Houston, Texas, and this area here was flooded like 8 feet high. Many families lost absolutely everything. And we're looking forward as Atlantic Union and ACS to support this family, to rebuild their houses. So please support this ministry.
So Joseph, Pastor Mark.
Nice to meet you. I'm Wendy.
And then we have Walter Harris.
So I'm staying by a friend's house right now because the house is, we can't live in there right now. So we have to take it out. You know.
Okay. Tired. Wow.
No, the kids going to school, so it's like, you know, it's a lot to deal with.
Come to Houston.
Come to Houston.
Venit a Houston.
Ven a Houston.
Ven a Houston. We need your help. Come to Houston.